Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, Divi have just released another upgrade. It's quite a significant one. It's called Divi Presets, where you can save styles and things for your modules and buttons and rows and columns, and it's an awesome addition. So let's get started. I've got the visual builder enabled here on a new page. I've got a section with a row with 3 columns. Let's just add a blurb module to this first column. And let's style up our blurb module. I think I'll use an icon. I won't spend too much time styling this today. Let's give it a background. And I guess I'll give it a dark background. And let's go to our design. Let's make our icon blue. That'll stand out nicely there. I'll leave it as it is size wise. I want my text in the middle. Let's make it light so we can see it. Let's make my title a little different. And my body text is not looking too bad at the moment. We'll justify it. Yeah. Now let's just give it a bit of padding all around. Okay, so we've got a little blurb module there. Let's give it a little border. And let's give it a little bit of box shadow. Great, so we've got a module there, a little blurb module. Now we can save our styles that we just created for it. Let's go to our preset default just under the blurb settings at the top here. Create a new preset from current styles. And we'll call it blurb dark, BL dark. And we can make this a default for our blurb if we want to, or we can just add it to a new one. Let's just save that and save that. Now let's add a new blurb to our second column here. And we can apply a default to it. There it is, BL dark. And it's added our default to it right there. All we need to do is change the icon or image out. And that's really useful. You can apply that to rows. Let's just go in there. And put our icon in. Doesn't matter which one. There we go. And we've got an interesting. Now we could save one if we did a section with a dark background. Let's do a section. I'll do the same thing. But I'll actually give this section a dark background, blue for the section, green for the row. Something like that. Now we can create a new blurb in here or whatever module. Let's do a call to action this time. And we'll give this a blue background. That's fine. I'm really not going to decorate it any more than the minimal. And let's give it a little white border or something. Could add a bit of drop shadow, but on a dark background I don't think it's going to work too well. Yeah, that's okay. Great. And let's just save this one. Create a new preset. And CTA blue, or whatever you want to call yours. Now you can assign this. Let's assign this to default. That means every time we add a call to action module, it'll be this color, and any existing ones that are on there at the moment when you do this will change to this as well. So be careful if you've already got some on there. That's what this little pop-up message says. And let's save. Now if we add another one to this, as you can see, it's popping up as the default. Now we can do this with all kind of different elements. Let's add a couple of buttons. Add a little button down there. And let's go to our design. And we'll just change the styles of this button. Let's make the background blue. And the border color blue. I'm not going to mess with the hover color. You know how to do a hover color. Okay, let's add a new button here. And let's make this one and we'll add one more over here. And let's make this one and let's make this rounded as well, or pill shaped. There we go, that's fine. And let's just pop these in the middle, and we'll save this as a preset. And we'll save this one as a preset. Pop them in the middle too. Great, so we've saved those as presets. We've got a blue, a red and a purple button, plus we've got our default one which we set up in the customizer. So if we add a new button, just add a regular button. Remember, we've not saved them as default, so we'll get our black one as default right there. Now if we load a preset on there, we can have that. Let's make that the purple button. As you can see, it's taking on the purple button, and of course you do exactly the same here. Add another button, we'll get our generic one. We'll add a preset style. And you can also clone one as well and just change the preset on it. We'll just clone this purple one, and now we can go in there and we can load a different style on there. Guess we'll put red one there. Simple as that, and that is a really useful feature. That's a great update. So well done, Divi. I'm very impressed with that. And you can go in, you can edit these presets, and if you edit the presets, it'll change all the ones that are already affected. So if I was to go in and change that blue color to a green, all my blue buttons would go green. And so we're on a blue button, that's right there. Just hit the little edit cog. Go to the design tab, button. And we can change this to green now. As you can see, it's affecting all of our blue button presets right there. So like I say, that is a fantastic feature, and I'm really impressed with that. I just thought I'd throw that out there and let you see it. They've just released that yesterday. So there you have it. There's Divi presets for you. I hope you've enjoyed that and found it useful. If you have, please ring the bell, give it a thumbs up, comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and WebDesignAndTechTips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.